everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Well, today I have a Dollarama haul I'd like to share with you. I know I haven't shared a lot of hauls recently like I normally do, but I promise you I'll slowly get back into the swing of things. But for today, I do have a Dollarama haul that I'd like to share with you. So if you want to see what I purchased this time around, please keep on watching. Okay, so let's begin with this bag. So again, in no particular order, I'm just pulling items out of the bag. To begin, I just purchased some batteries. I purchased, these are both, yes, AA batteries, and I'll show you why I purchased them. And these are 5 in a package, and these are $1.25, the Panasonic brand. I purchased some craft bags. I did use a few already, so just your regular craft bags, and these I use for gifts, and I like to put different colored tissue paper. I think it looks really nice. So there's only one here because I've used some already. I also purchased this nice turquoise color. Again, it was a 2-pack and I used one already. I picked up this. This was new at my store and I absolutely loved it. It's by the Home Deco brand and it's this light up butterfly, and look how cute it is. I actually purchased 2 of them. I purchased this pink one, and these go for a lot more than $4 if you go to your decor stores like HomeSense, Bouclair, Marshalls, a lot more than $4. So for $4, yes, it's on the pricier end of things at Dollarama, but definitely worth it, in my opinion. So I purchased that pink one, and I purchased a white one for each of my nieces. And I think that's so cute. Use it as a night light, on their nightstand, as a decor piece, whatever it is. It's so cute. So let's see how it lights up. So it does use up just one AA battery. So I'm going to go ahead and use up one of these batteries and show you how it lights up, because it's still in the package. So let's just take this out of the package here. Okay, and that's what it looks like out of the package. The white one anyways. Here's the little antennas. And it is, you can also hang it on the wall because there's a little area for screws. And you don't need a screwdriver to remove this, so it's just one of those tabs where you open it up, I believe. Why can't I open it? Oh, there we go. Okay, so this is interesting because it says here, if I did read that correctly, it says here it requires 1 AA battery. Oh, actually, sorry, it says here 1 AA, but if you read that, it says requires 2 AA batteries. So you see 1, and then you see 2. So it is 2. So let's go ahead and take out another battery. You can see there's the compartments for the batteries. Okay, and there's a little on-off switch. Right now on top is the off position. We'll switch it to on. And here you go. How cute is that? Let me dim the lights a little bit so you can get a better perspective. And there you go. I think that's absolutely gorgeous. I'm in love with it. So again, at my store they had the white or the pink. How cute is that? I'm in love with this. So happy I got these because I'm sure they won't last long. Moving on, let me just turn off the light here because there's no need to waste it. So super happy about that. Oh, here's another pack. These are actually AAA batteries that I purchased. I always like to have these on hand for converters or what have you. I purchased this Medi Measure. It's a medicine spoon for kids. It accurately measures medicine, stands up for easy filling, and you can see there's Elmo. I know it does say ages 2+. My niece is a little bit older. Well, one's 3, the other one is 6. But I like to have this on hand when I require to give them medicine. It's so much easier. Sometimes with the spoon, you know, if they don't open their mouth right away, it can spill over. And I think this will be so much easier and so much cuter. I want to take my medicine with Elmo, wouldn't you? Anyways, that one was $2. Okay, found this. This was new to my store. It's called Kardashian Beauty. And it's a lipstick, lip liner, and lip gloss. It's the nude lip set. And this one was $4. And I really, really like the color. It is like a nude pinkish color. Coming off a little bit darker than it is in real life, but I really like this. And it says here it's by kbeauty.com, made in the US, and I guess the color is in the fresh. It's a nude lip set. So there's that. Okay, moving on, I purchased some just tissue paper out of the package because I used some already. Just some black tissue paper. And that one was $1.25 for 20 sheets. I purchased these luggage tags. So at my store they had this green and they also had this red. And it's like an acrylic. And it's by the American Tourister brand. And these were $2.50 for 2. And I'm planning a DIY with this, so I'll show you how that turns out right now. So yeah, I thought it turned out pretty nice, so I purchased those. I purchased some of these jute bags. There's 3 bags for $2, and these have the polka dots on the top. I purchased one of these display easels, and this is in the silver for $1.25. Well, I guess I purchased more batteries. These are the Panasonic brand, and these are alkaline, again AA, and these were $2 each. Never can have too many batteries. I needed a hole punch, so I picked one of those up for $1.25. I needed some nail polish remover, and this is the 100% acetone by the Delon brand. This does not have a price. And on this one, there's 8.12 fluid ounces or 240 mil. Oh, sorry, it does have a price right over there, $3. I purchased one of these cube-like glass vases. These are nothing new to the store, but it's for a DIY. It's by the Casa di Vetro brand. This one was $2.50. And it's again for a DIY. I picked up some of these by the Studio brand 3-ring binder sheet protectors. There's 10 in a package for $1, and I picked up 3 packages. To go along with those sheet protectors, I just picked up a plain white 3-ring binder, the 1-inch. And I like this one because it has the clear pocket in the front. And this again is for a DIY. And last but not least, I picked up a couple of canvases that again I plan on doing a DIY. So I picked up this artist canvas. This is the 12 by 16. This one was $3.50. I also picked up the huge 16 by 20. That one was $4. And last, but certainly not least, I picked up this 100% natural wood artist panel which was $4. And again, I plan on some DIYs with this. And that was it. That was my Dollarama haul this time around. I hope you enjoyed it. And again, I do apologize, but I will have more hauls, be it Dollarama, Dollar Tree, couponing hauls. I just haven't had the chance. I explained it to you in my last video, but I plan to have a lot more videos, hopefully in the very near future. And again, thank you so much for your support. Thank you for watching. And like always, I will talk to you in my next video, hopefully sooner than later. Bye, everyone.